Okay, go ahead.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click subscribe and turn notification. Give me a dearest thumbs up. We're eating
KFC,
KFC.
chicken tenders, mashed potatoes, and macaroni and cheese.
Yup, I'm hungry. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, Sophia.
I got chicken. Grandma, are you seeing the video?
Let me get my food first.
My grandma's getting ready. So good.
You like it?
Not good. Have you subscribed for this video? It's so good. Grandma, why there's a timer right there?
Good question.
Good.
Can you put that over there for his side? I'll do it. No. It's gonna be right here. Okay, why is there a melted popsicle on the table? Who got a popsicle? Joaquin. Joaquin, look at Grandma. You cannot leave that. You need to go sit down and stay there. If you're gonna get a popsicle, you're gonna finish it. Understood? So come to the table, please.
We're coming back up. Mom,
What?
how many eat the macaroni?
Oh, your macaroni? Here, there's a... Well, you can use that same... Or you could... Here, I'll give you a fork right there.
Come.
Papa, do you want,
Wow. Making a video? Yeah. Boring.
Sit down and eat, please, and don't be rude. Thank you. Do you want some ranch?
Ranch? Where? No.
No? Okay.
No, can I have some wrap?
After you're done with your food.
It's good.
You like it?
I'm not even seeing you. Grandma. Look. Okay, you can't even see you. Yeah, grandma's doing that. My grandma's gonna eat ranch right now.
I'm gonna dip it in
And
honey mustard.
Chicken. And that was chicken.
The honey mustard is good, you guys. Oh, wait a minute. I taste some radish.
Comment down below if Sophia likes macaroni so much, and then one day she'll be rich with macaroni.
Okay.
Oh my God, Grandma, what happened? This is cocoa root beer.
Puppy, come and get your
Root beer.
chicken tenders, Rita. Joaquin, you don't want no sauce? I've got barbecue ranch and honey mustard.
Where's the sauce?
Oh, this is honey mustard. There's ranch inside the bag and there's barbecue. So Sophia, how's school going?
Good.
Talk to us about your boyfriend Angel.
No.
Is it true that you have a boyfriend? And you're in kindergarten, right? And he's in kinder too? But he's not inside your class, right? Oh, you know what? We shouldn't use your real name when I already called you by your real name. Oh well. So on these things, baby, you never give out your personal information. Like, you don't tell people where you live. You don't tell them your last name. You don't tell them what school you go to, because sometimes strangers, like people who are just weird, will try to contact you and kidnap you. Huh?
my boyfriend being mean to me. I don't like him anymore. So I don't like him anymore. Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, after this, Grandma and you are going to go on a hike. Because I need to burn this off.
Why are you going to hike?
I'm not supposed to be eating this.
Is she going to go? Comment down below if she's going to take a hike for 3 hours or 2 hours. Or 1 hour. Okay.
You want to go with us, Papa?
I'm going to get sweaty. I like starring.
Grandma's done.
It's so yummy.
Do you want some mashed potatoes and gravy, puppy? Joaquin, you want mashed potatoes and gravy? ¿Y tú, Riguito?
What?
Do you want mashed potatoes and gravy?
After you are done.
I'm done.
With the thing.
My grandma's done, so I'm just gonna eat.
I'm done.
I'm just gonna eat still.
Do you want some more chicken tenders?
No.
Well, you need to finish that and this too. Do you want me to put that on this plate?
Get. She's so
Grandma
good.
does not like macaroni and cheese.
Why? Because she gets sick from
I don't like it. You could use this spoon.
What is this, Grandma?
Fun. Those are the biscuits. Show them how long your hair is. So we asked her dad if we can get her hair cut because her hair passes her booty and it tickles her booty. And he said no. He said to wait until he gets home, right? So that he can record
Grandma.
it. Because I don't think you've ever gotten your hair cut, right? So this will be your first. So I think that's why they wanted to video and make a big deal about it.
That Grandma had a friend and she was downing on her things, her food, so I'm doing it too because I like it. Yummy. Oh, I was looking at the Spider-Man movie. Comment down below.
Will you stop saying comment down below? Comment down below if you think he's silly.
Get over there, Lucky. We're just eating. Funny. No. Joaquin, stop doing the Fortnite dance. Do it over there. Joaquin. Emma. Tell Joaquin to get out. Get out.
Joaquin, why don't you come and tell them your YouTube channel? What's your YouTube channel's name?
My YouTube channel's name is Joaquin Armendariz. You see, yes, if you don't know my last name, then just put Joaquin Armendariz. No S.
Armendariz. You have to say it slowly.
No S.
There's no S at the end?
No.
So Armendariz with the Z?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see me?
Yeah, we can see you.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Hey, Joaquin, so let's talk about your girlfriend.
No.
Do you have a girlfriend, first of all? Is that a yes or no? Because they can't hear you.
Yes.
You heard it for
Yes, I
yourself.
do.
He said yes. What's her
Yes,
name?
but I'm not telling you.
Do you know who his girlfriend is?
Uh-uh.
You guys both go to the same school, right?
No.
I thought that you guys went to the same school.
Yeah, we did. In second grade, I had a girlfriend then.
So you have a different girlfriend from second grade? Or is it the same girl?
Same girl. But we don't go to the same school.
Oh, so you guys don't go to the same school no more?
We only visit each other
Oh.
in my school.
Is it really yummy?
I ate all my chicken.
You want some more chicken?
My grandma's not cooking anymore because she already done eating.
I ate fast, right, Sophia?
Yeah. I ate slow because I want to.
Yes, you want to enjoy this.
Uh-huh. so good. I just want more macaroni, but we don't got all the macaroni.
Mama, don't wipe the macaroni and cheese on your pants. That's why I have a napkin here for you.
I'm not wiping it. I don't have some.
If I see macaroni and cheese on your pants, little girl.
I'm gonna take off these.
So why don't we let them know what we did today? So today we were gonna have a girls' day, which we did kind of.
Yeah, but we didn't paint our nails because not yet. We're gonna do it tomorrow.
Or maybe later on today because it's still early. So Sophia and I went to the flea market.
Yes, it was so taking forever because my leg was hurting.
Little girl, you need to walk more, Missy. So what did we do at the flea market?
We got some stuff and we got
All for you. I didn't buy anything for me.
because you didn't even ask me.
Like if you're gonna buy me something. So if I said, Sophia, can I have that? You're gonna say, okay, Grandma, I'll get it for you. So what did you get today at the flea market?
Heels.
No, we didn't buy heels.
We bought heels and we bought.
We did not buy heels.
Yeah.
Flat shoes.
Flat shoe.
Stay here while I get this stuff so we can show them, okay? Oh, we got bun. A big bun.
No.
We're not gonna eat this right now, so you're gonna eat that first.
And we got the grocery.
Oh, these are the shoes that Sophia got at the flea market. Aren't they so cute and
I love it.
sparkly? They're not tacones though. They're not heels.
Yeah. Look. Oh. Ooh. They're working.
We got little cute socks.
They're so cute. Ugly. Walking stop.
She got these, right?
Yeah.
Show them your bunny ears hat thing.
Wait, guys, wait. I got these. It's so cute.
Can you put it on and show it how it works?
Yeah. Look, so this.
You have
Look,
to
guys,
sit
this is
down.
how you put it on. You put it on, and look.
Sit down. Sit down on the
And
chair.
you do this. See? And the other one, this is how you do it. And the other one, let me work it. Like that.
This is Grandma's,
And
which we thought that you lost. Remember that you forgot it at the flea market, and then I told
yes,
you,
and
Sophia, where are the...
and someone almost bought it.
And we bought Sophia some calzones.
No, don't show them. You're disgusting.
And where are your sunglasses at?
Right there.
Those are mine. Those are yours over there.
Wait,
Put them on.
they're right here. Put it. Oh yeah.
And then she got this cute little pink sweater.
Yeah, it's so cool. I like it.
You want to try it on?
I want to try it when I run over there.
Okay. Yeah, so I think that's all that we got at the flea market, right, Sophia? And then she rode on a pony
Rode on a pony, right?
at the flea market. You rode on a pony.
What?
Remember that you went out on a pony?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Grandma feels like throwing up now. I'm not used to KFC, that's all.
What you're allergic to, Grandma?
I'm not allergic to it, it's just too much. I don't know.
My grandma's gonna go off. My grandma's gonna go. I'm there by myself. I'm doing nothing. I'm just drinking and eating. I'm just finishing my stuff. It's so good. We also got this, look. We also got Gatorade. And we got an aerial blanket. Grandma, wait, what's in the black bag?
I think that's all that
I don't think so. I'm just finishing up my stuff. Yeah, I'm not going to the popcorn. My grandma's sitting down now. She just wants to go get her medicine water. You feel that?
water tastes so good. Let me take this off. This is so cute.
That was just my grandma, not me. Look. It's just my grandma.
So Sophia, let's ask you more questions.
Yeah.
Where's your mom and dad at right now?
At the snap, and he said it's only for grown-ups, not for.
It's because they're out celebrating your dad's birthday.
Yeah, they're out celebrating my dad's birthday. It's my dad's birthday today, but he didn't take me because it was only for grown-ups. Grandma, can I have more sauce?
Oh, more gravy?
Yeah. I'm telling my grandma to give me more gravy. Gravy's good for you guys. Macaroni and cheese, don't get the gravy. No. I guess I already got it in the gravy.
Puppy, do you want some more chicken strips, Joaquin? If you're done, then take your plate to the sink, okay? I just asked you if you wanted more chicken, and you said no thanks.
Oh, I thought you said something else.
Okay, can you give me your plate?
They're really good.
They are. Here you go, mister. Joaquin. So what else? How many tias do you have? How many cousins do you have?
Like 7 or 10 or 100. I don't know.
What's your favorite cartoon?
Ariel, Pennsylvania 3.
You think he's gonna be mad at me?
So, the kidnapping? Your son? That was all just a lie?
Lie is such an ugly word.
I like Rainbow Dad and the movie. The last thing is what's my favorite movie? Belle.
Beauty and the Beast?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Beauty and the Beast. My favorite color is blue and pink.
Can you sing something for us? You know that your mom and your grandma love to sing, so you love to sing too. Right?
Yeah, but I don't want to sing right now.
You're shy.
I don't want to sing right now.
You're always singing in the bathroom.
Yeah, but I know I want to sing in the bathroom. I want to. Grandma, I'll take this one because it has rainbow on it. I'll show up in what. Look, it's a butterfly with these. And later I'm going to get a popsicle when I'm done with my food.
Oh, grandma feels sick.
She does. She just forgot her medicine from the room.
I should have had a KFC.
You shouldn't have KFC. Get more.
I don't want more. I feel like throwing up, crazy girl.
Why you shouldn't eat KFC?
It upsets my stomach.
It is in my stomach.
I am watching it.
The new Spider-Man comes out today.
It does not. Crazy girl.
I have the Grinch. And my favorite movie is The Grinch.
When's the last time that you and Grandma went to the movies? What did we see?
We seen the rabbit.
Oh, Peter?
Peter and the Rabbit.
That was a long time ago, huh?
I still like that movie. Me and Joaquin were still watching it.
I think I fell asleep in that movie.
Well,
Grandma always falls asleep in the movies.
I don't fall asleep in the movie.
I do.
My brother's here because my mom's not taking care of us in our house. No one's taking care of us in our house. But I'm so sad about my doggy.
Oh yeah, where is Maxie? Where is he at? Who's taking care of him?
My grandma.
The one that lives close to you?
Yep.
I feel like throwing up, Sophia.
Then go throw up.
I don't want to.
Don't throw up in the table. You're gonna because you're gonna throw on your phone.
I'm not. I just feel like it, but I won't.
Okay, guys. Tomorrow, the number's coming to 0, so I need to finish my lunch because I'm almost done.
Yeah.
Ew, 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 ew.
So Sophia and I were watching Ari's life because Grandma loves to watch mukbangs, and so Sophia said, "Grandma, what are you watching?" And then I said, "Oh, it's my friend. She likes to eat in front of the camera." And she was eating KFC with her daughter, Cupcake. So Sophia said, "Grandma, why don't we do a video?" So today, we decided to go to KFC and get Sophia some food, and so we did this. So that's why we're doing this, because it was Sophia's request. She wanted to do a mukbang. You don't even know what mukbangs are, huh? It's when people eat in front of the camera.
I guess Grandma has a camera so we can eat.
So we decided to make one.
Yeah, so everyone can see our video.
And I hope that they like it.
Hope you like this.
Subscribe
to our channel. If you see my video,
And if we
if you see my video, comment down below. If my dad is kind of funny, okay? He's not funny.
And tell Sophia she's a weirdo.
you better be nice, mister. Understand? Okay, you be nice on here. I don't want you guys talking like that. My goodness, no.
I didn't say that.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the video here.
No,
Okay, then hurry up and finish because Grandma needs to go to the bathroom.
I don't need.
You done? Say goodbye. Come and say goodbye. Say thank you for watching.
Okay, bye guys. Hope you subscribe this video. Click on
Hope you
subscribe
like this
button.
video.
Click on
Hit the subscribe button.
Give us a huge thumbs up. Okay, bye.